How do I optimize PPC campaigns specifically for Amazon FBA products? When it comes down to specifically Amazon FBA products, you're going to have different profit margins and different calculation than if you would be running it for wholesale products, or even if it's going to be fulfilled by merchants, so FBM. The way how we would optimize these campaigns is we're always looking at the how much do I spend on the product level, and based on that, is there a way for me to first off increase my profit margins before even touching my ads? And the way how we would be doing that is we'd look into on a product level and see, all right, so this is the listing. Think of it this way. Let's funnel it down. You have usually the best-selling product, and then you have scattered lots of other products. This is the usual route. Another route that can be is that you have, let's say, the 5 products, and each 5 is contributing in a similar way. So still applies the principle that I'm sharing. We would be finding the top selling products and we would be analyzing that one. And based on that one, what is going to be really important is when it comes down to optimization, to understand what are we doing currently, what are we not doing currently, and what we should double down on for that product. Now, you were asking about how do I optimize PPC campaigns specifically for Amazon FBA products. This is how we would do it. First, we want to define optimization. Are we optimizing towards scalability? Are we optimizing towards profitability? Optimization got this wrap of, by optimizing, I mean that I'm going to spend less. It's not true. Optimization, what it means is that you can optimize towards scalability, meaning that you are going to create new ads, you're going to do new changes to the product, or you're going to apply new strategies that still profitably it's going to scale your product. Now, if you're in product launch when no one knows your product is brand new, this is still the strategy. This is going to catch up in a longer time. If your product already is established and you're selling well, and right now you're just going to want to get more market share, it is highly applicable. Again, we're optimizing towards scalability. We're going to create new eyeballs to the listing in order to convert for us to sell more. If we're optimizing towards profitability, and here what we are doing is we are going to aim to spend the least amount of money to make the most amount of money. Be careful. Now, no matter what brand we took over and they were optimizing towards profitability, what happened is you are not going to see what is in the next 6 months coming towards your brand, but we do. Because we understand that the Amazon platform is built in such a way as any ad platform to get as much sales, get as much money as possible from their product. Their product is advertising. Ads go always up. What you got for 50 cents 2 months ago, you cannot expect to get for the same 50 cents now. You can expect that that 50 cents is going to go up to 55 cents or 60 cents or 70 cents based on competition and based on the platform itself, because it's designed in such a way. So technically, once that you're going to optimize for profitability, make sure that the way how you're optimizing is in such a way that you're not taking away your breath, taking away the blood that is spent from the product that you're selling. I hope that you found value in this one, and specifically for FBA products, the simplest way how I can explain to you is make sure that you're going to be aware of your profit margins and what is the top selling product, know the top selling product, and based on the top selling product, see if it's a profit negative or a positive profit margin.